if the x term of an AP, arithmetic progression, is 1 over y and the y term is 1 over x, we are required to find the xy term. Generally, the nth term of any arithmetic progression u subscript n is calculated by using a, where a is the first term, plus n minus 1d, d being the common difference and n being the required term. So in this question, the xth term ux is 1 over y, and that is a plus n is the xth term, x minus 1 times d, the common difference. That is 1 over y is a plus x minus 1d. We're going to call this equation 1. We're also given the y term, u subscript y, as 1 over x, and that is a plus y minus 1d. That is 1 over x is a plus 1 minus 1d. We're going to label this equation 2, and let us subtract equation 2 from 1, which means we are going to have 1 over y minus 1 over x to be equal to a plus x minus 1d, and from it we'll be subtracting a plus y minus 1d, which means that we have 1 over y minus 1 over x to be equal to a plus x minus 1d, then minus a minus y minus 1d, where a cancel out a, and we'll be left with, on the left hand side, we can take the LCM, which is xy, and we have x minus y, and on the right hand side we'll be left with x minus 1d minus y minus 1d. Factoring d on the right hand side, we have x minus y over xy to be equal to d multiplying x minus 1 minus y minus 1, leaving us with x minus y over xy to be equal to d multiplying x minus y, as the minus 1 minus minus 1 will give 0. If we divide both sides by x minus y, we will have 1 over xy to be equal to d. So we have an expression for the common difference. Now let us put the value of this common difference into equation 1. Equation 1 is 1 over y equals to a plus x minus 1d. But instead of d, we put 1 over xy. Opening the brackets on the right, 1 over y equals to a plus 1 over y, x cancels x, minus 1 over xy, where 1 over y, we cancel out 1 over y when we subtract, leaving us with a to be equal to 1 over xy. Now we have the first term, 1 over xy. We also have the common difference, 1 over xy. Let us put these values into the nth term of the AP to get the xy term. So the xy term, uxy, is going to be a 1 over xy plus n, which is the xy, minus 1 times d, which is another 1 over xy. And that is going to be 1 over xy plus 1. When we multiply xy and 1 over xy, we have 1, then minus 1 over xy. 1 over xy minus 1 over xy is 0, then the xy term is 1. Isn't this lovely? Please subscribe to this channel for more math tutorials, and ensure you click the notification bell to get timely updates when our tutorials are released. In the meantime, you can also browse through the channel for more exciting tutorials.